Solo som na yoye. Tinchi bega so. Tinchi bega kanti do yela. Yana yang ma jo akwa. Te yala be kamuna twam zebulum. Katarga yang ma somble parabi lelu yela kayelo. Mon gatra dan ye zambolo wo bi ngarabo dale. Bekola do ya bebe ba do nguna. Tinshabulu wanya ngumbambala wapandi yobune. Ana shara namiye. Bekumle kadwal ye yere do yela zebulum. Bodale yamba ye bangbalga do boro kum dale zungwa yang ma wa dale ni ngom je ko bande dal na be yere do yela nasira zable ye de pan lam da gunguna dale
amafo na wotimi and that way me dindi chief zachi me watermale what you say me bo amafo what you say and that way na make say make assembly me pese obia na o hu me. This is Chief Zachi. I'm helping people. I'm a spiritual father. I'm a dual father. Are you understand what I'm saying? So if I won't talk much, if you need Chief Zachi help, you're supposed to contact Chief Zachi. If you just want the screen, you see my number that you call me. I'm helping people like instant money, money ritual, packet no dry, lotto number, sickness, account to, Arabian open. Obet my friend Chief Zachi. Inshallah Rabbi will say beka why me pazam mo kacha wo say nipa bi wo ho na okọ nipa nche na okacha wo say wo bua no na wo bua na wo disa nipa na sika. What you say, if you chop some one money and you didn't help the person, judgment day you will pay it. Which one nipa ntro na wo dada sa nipa na wo disa nipa na sika na wo bua sa nipa na wo ka say me be bua na wo ba bua na wo bua sa nipa mo do nyem say wo ba tuaka. Don't think that today you just chop some one money and tomorrow and then you die. Are you thinking that they'll ask you when you throw a ball to the world, if the ball will come back to your chest? That's why I come today. I want people to know that this is Chief Zachi, he's just talking truth. What's my say? Oh, Bram, me charging the pabia that me pen through me jumanmo. Oh, Bram, me chana me boa, me catch us and me boa. If you come, I won't help you. I will tell you I cannot help you. Now you take your money and go. So when you come to Chief Zachi, then I told you I can help you. Inshallah, I will help you. If I cannot help you, I will tell you I cannot help you. If you want instant money, lotto number, packet no dry, money ritual. The money ritual I have it 3 times. I have black one, I have white one, then I have red one. The instant money, when you want 2 billion, 4 billion, 200 million, 500 million, 50 billion, whatever you want. You want leadership, you want protection. Inshallah, you come to Chief Zachi. Chief Zachi will help you. If I cannot help you, I will tell you I cannot help you. I will sit my shrine. I want to sit my room like this, and I will do small action, and people will know that this is Chief Zachi can do. This is Chief Zachi cannot do. The people will hold over or baby friend will say, "Oh, Master, me person won't boa me. Won't even boa sa ni pano catch us submit me boa." If you know you cannot help the person, don't tell the person that I will help you and the person will come to your place. Then you chop the person money and you didn't help the person. Inshallah, you pay it. So the people there are watching Chief Zachi today. You just watch your screen top. Inshallah, you see Chief Zachi number. Then you pick the number and call Chief Zachi. Tell me that Chief Zachi, I want you to help me. Then I'll ask you, what help do you want? I will show you how we are going to do, and God will stand our back. Everything will come successful for you. If I cannot help you, I will tell you I cannot help you. If I cannot help you, I will tell you I cannot help you. But if I can help you, I will tell you I can help you. I want to do small action. People will see that this is Chizachi can do, this is cannot do. Cameraman, what is inside? I want to do small action. Then you take the money and go and just chop it. Are you understand what I mean? Cameraman, what is inside? Nothing is inside. I want people to know spirit is there. It's not the person who put this in body, the person have a spirit. I didn't put anything. I didn't go to my shira. I didn't go to any place. I'm sitting here. I want to do action, and people will know that we are not lying. I don't want to lie with my life. Are you understand? When you lie someone today and collect the person money and chop, judgment day, inshallah, Rabbi, you pay it. Remember, what is inside again? Nothing is inside. kiti nam da dia ususu kan tema to adol kan do kata zo da so ka so kiti nam da dia ususu kan tema do kata ya zo ne poka ne pamuno pa be so mo pa be kun de vi da so ka ya so na zo ne poka ne kan ya ba di ma bia ne ya vina tana bia ne ya zo da so ka ya so bo na zo ne poka ne kan ya ba di ma bia ne ya vina tana bia ne ya zo da so ka so bo na zo ne poka ne mo pa be kun de vi zo da so ka so bo na zo ne poka ne abia we pu be wo no ni so do as we cause do as zo da so ka so bo I want people to know that we have red and have red. We are not lying. Me, I don't want to lie with everybody. Or I don't want to lie with anyone. Are you understand? If you need Chief Zachi, you contact me or you call me. Inshallah, Rabbi Hussein Bakawai. When you come to Chief Zachi, any help you want or what are you want, you just come to Chief Zachi. I will help you. Then I will solve your problem for you. What are you want? My friend, whatever you are in Sierra Leone, Cote d'Ivoire, Cameroon, Paraguay, whatever you are, you come to Chief Zachi. Inshallah, I will help you, okay? What are you want? My friend, this is the money. Come to Chief Zachi and told me that Chief Zachi, I want you to help me. If I cannot help you, I will told you I cannot help you. What I want is not that people, they are putting things in their body. That doesn't mean that they have money or they have this thing spiritual. You just come to, this is 2 million note. Watch it. Are you understand what I look at the money? Are you understanding me? Look at it. It's not the person who just put this in, but the person have a spirit. Are you getting it? This is 50 city note. Are you understand what I mean? If you just come, if I cannot help you, I will tell you I cannot help you. Watch it very well. Are you understanding me? Cameraman, today I want you to go and bless yourself. Watch it very well. Do you see it? If I cannot help you, I will tell you I cannot help you. Are you understand what I'm saying? So if you want Chief Zachi, you come to Chief Zachi, inshallah I will help you. Are you understanding me? Watch it. Are you hearing? You just want the money very well. Some people, they are there. If they didn't see it, they would just say that you are lying or something. Watch it very well. You just see. You just see. Watch it. Are you understanding? This is the money. Watch it very well. You see? This is the money. I don't want to lie with everybody. You see it. You watch it very well. So if you need Chief Zachi, come to Chief Zachi and collect this money. And watch it. Come and collect this money, my brother and my sister. And go and just solve your problems for your life. Come to Chief Zachi and say that Chief Zachi, I want money. Look at it. Look at the money. You just look at it. I didn't put anything. Just watch it very well. Are you understand? So I'm out for, now hear me. Watch the screen it down. You see Chief Zachi number. Then you contact to remove it.
Come